I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crystal candy. First, gather your essential ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and your chosen flavoring. You'll also need a clean saucepan, a heat-resistant spoon, and several small, heat-safe containers or jars for growing the crystals. Don't forget food coloring if you want to add a beautiful pop of color to your sweet creations. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your candy-making adventure. Now let's create the supersaturated sugar solution. Combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in your saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial to ensure no undissolved sugar remains. Once it begins to boil, stop stirring. This prevents early crystallization and sets the stage for perfect crystal growth. With your solution ready, carefully pour the hot liquid into your heat-safe containers. This is where the magic begins. Now, add a few drops of your desired food coloring and flavoring to each container, stirring gently to combine. Finally, suspend a clean string or a wooden skewer into each solution, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. This provides a surface for your beautiful sugar crystals to grow upon over several days. Patience is key for the final step. Allow your crystal candy to grow undisturbed for 5 to 7 days, or even longer for larger crystals. Once they've reached your desired size, carefully remove them from the solution and let them dry completely on parchment paper. You'll have stunning, edible crystal candy ready to enjoy or share. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.